Hey there, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. You can stop for almost anything you see on your Android phone without taking screenshots or typing a search. In this video, I will show you how to use Circle to search to quickly find products, compare prices, and shop online in just a few simple steps. But before that, here's a quick rundown of what we will cover. Step 1. Open Circle to search. Step 2. Circle the product you want to shop for. Step 3. Use shopping results. Let's break it down step by step. Step number 1. Open Circle to search. First, open any app that shows the item you want to shop for, such as YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Chrome, Facebook, or your gallery. Now activate Circle to search. If your phone uses gesture navigation, press and hold the navigation bar at the bottom of the screen. If your phone uses button navigation, press and hold the home button. Your screen will dim slightly and the Circle to search tool will appear. Step number 2. Circle the product you want to shop for. Use your finger to circle the item you'd like to find online. You can also tap the item or highlight if it is easier. Google will instantly identify the product and search for similar or matching items without leaving your current app. Step number 3. View shopping results. Browse the search results to see product information, prices, online stores, reviews, and similar items. You can tap any result to learn more or purchase the item from a supported retailer. Circle to search makes shopping much faster because you do not have to manually search for the product yourself. And that's it. And hey, for disclaimer purpose, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Features, menu names, and availability may vary depending on your Android device model, region, and software version. Wireless Solutions is not affiliated with Google, Samsung, or any Android manufacturer. Please use features at your own discretion. And that is how to use Circle to search to shop anything on Android. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to Wireless Solutions for more Android tips and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.